So anyway, this is the Boots and Barkley cable tie out. It's recommended for dogs up to up to 80 pounds. And cable tie out. You got to hook it to something. Doesn't really give you a lot of instructions. Here's the instructions if you want to read them. It's for dogs only, so you can't hook it to people, I guess. It's made in China. So it's easy to hook up. I just wrapped it around the edge of this. You can put it around a tree or something that's heavy so it can't get away. Okay, so anyway, you hook this to the dog. You hook this to something that's heavy, and you've got a number of feet so the dog can, let's see how far the dog can go. You don't want it going out in the street. Yeah, it's pretty tangled. We've got to untangle it. We've got, looks like a pretty good, this is as far as she can get. Yeah. So you hook this to the dog, right? I got it hooked over there.
Oh, you got it hooked? No.
Yeah, okay. I got it hooked. I got it hooked right here.
To the bench?
Yeah. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a try.
Okay.
All right. So now,
come here, baby. Come on. Go both
you hook this to the back of the dog. All right, we got it in. All right, let's come outside. Come on out. Come on.
Don't scare her.
All right, there she goes. She thinks she's going for a walk, but she's not. All right. And as you can see, that's as far as she's going to go. She's going to check out this guy because she loves people.
How are you? How are you today?
So if you don't want to take your dog for a walk, you can let him just walk around the house. She's got about, I don't know, 30 feet of cord. She can check everything out within 30 feet either way. That's like a 60-foot run. Look at her. She's having fun. She's getting an idea how far she can go. I think we're good here. What do you think?
Very nice.
There she is.
Woo. Nice for you, girl doggy.
Lily, what do you think of your new toy?
Come here.
She seems to love it.
You can come up and see the mommy and tell mommy too.
Oh, here she comes. She's like, I'm going to try the other direction.
Yeah,
I'm going to try the other direction.
In that box, 'cause there's, what do you call that stuff, Roundup in there?
And coming out here, taking a leak. Seems to be working pretty good. She hasn't strangled herself yet. That's good. This dog weighs maybe, I don't know, 7 pounds. As you can see, looking good. This thing is working. It's going to work out great for Mom. There she goes. Unless she makes the mistake and gets herself all tangled around the chairs, which she hasn't done so far. Girl. Come on. Come on. But she can run around like kind of free, and gives her a little sense of freedom because she's got some room to run. And that's better than nothing, I guess. Us holding onto the leash and she's yanking you. So this seems to work pretty good, and it's going to help Mom out a lot because she has a hard time walking the dog. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Thanks. Bye.